Hello children, this video is for class 2, subject mathematics, topic subtraction, page number 51, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Children, our today's topic is subtraction with borrowing of 3-digit number. Let's look at these examples. First, subtract 29 from 154. Students, here we cannot subtract 9 from 4. So, we will borrow. We will borrow 1 tens. In tens place, 5 becomes 4 and in ones place, 4 becomes 14. 1 tens and 4 ones is equal to 14. Now we can subtract 9 from 14. 14 minus 9 equals 5 and 4 minus 2 equals 2 and in 100 place one number is there. So write single number 1. So 154 minus 29 is equal to 125. Next example is subtract 36 from 253. Children, again we cannot subtract 6 from 3, so we will borrow from tens. 5 becomes 4 and 3 becomes 13. 1 tens and 3 ones 13. So now 13 minus 6 equals 7. And 4 minus 3 equals 1 and single number 2 is there in hundreds place, so 2 will come in hundreds place. So 253 minus 36 is equal to 217. Next example, 582 minus 45. Children, again we cannot subtract 5 from 2, so we will borrow. 8 becomes 7 and 2 becomes 12. 1 tens plus 2 ones equals 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3 and 5 is single number here, so we will write 5. So 582 minus 45 equals to 537. Next example is 570 minus 200, 670 minus 238. Here again children, we cannot subtract 8 from 0, so we will borrow from 7. 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 8 equals 2, 6 minus 3 equals 3 and 6 minus 2 equals 4. So 670 minus 238 equals 432. Next example is 785 minus 567. 7 cannot subtract from 5, so we will borrow from tens. 8 becomes 7 and 5 becomes 15. 1 tens plus 5 ones equals 15. So now 15 minus 7 equals 8. 7 minus 6 equals 1 and 7 minus 5 equals 2. So 785 minus 567 equals 218. Next example is 470 minus 215. Children, we cannot subtract 5 from 0, so we will borrow from tens. 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 equals 5 and 6 minus 1 equals 5 and 4 minus 2 equals 2. So 470 minus 215 is equal to 255. Next example is 378 minus 169. Children, we cannot subtract 9 from 8, so we will borrow the number from the tens. So in tens, 7 number is there, so 7 becomes 6 and 8 becomes 18. 1 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 18. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 378 minus 169 is equal to 209. Next example is 946 minus 738. Children, we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we will borrow. Here 4 becomes 3 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 equals 8. 3 minus 3 equals 0 and 9 minus 7 equals 2. So 946 minus 738 is equal to 208. Next example is 192 minus 146. Children, we cannot subtract 6 from 2, so we will borrow. 9 becomes 8 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 8 minus 4 equals 4 and 1 minus 1 equals 0. So 192 minus 146 is equal to 46. Next example is 854 minus 848. 4 children, we cannot subtract 8 from 4, so we will borrow. 4 becomes 14 and in tens place 5 becomes 4 and in ones place 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Now 4 minus 4 equals to 0 and 8 minus 8 equals to 0. So 854 minus 848 is equal to 6. Next example is subtract 63 from 682. So children, first we subtract ones and here we cannot subtract 3 from 2, so we will borrow from tens. In tens 8 becomes 7 and in ones 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Write 9 under ones. Now subtract tens. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Write 1 under tens. And now subtract 100. In 100 place only 6 number is there. So we will write 6 under hundreds. So 682 minus 63 is equal to 619. Next example is 191 minus 72. So children, again we cannot subtract 2 from 1, so we will borrow. 9 becomes 8 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9 and 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. And in 100 place only one number is there, so we will write 1 in hundreds place. So 191 minus 72 is equal to 119. Next 433 minus 216. Children, we cannot subtract 6 from 3, so we will borrow. So 3 becomes 2 in tens place and 3 becomes 13 in ones place. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So answer is 217. Next sum is subtract 268 from 575. In ones place subtract 8 from 5. So children, we cannot subtract 8 from 5, so we will borrow from tens. So 7 becomes 6 and in ones 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Write 7 in ones place and then subtract tens. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Write 0 under tens. Now subtract hundreds. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Write 3 under hundreds. So answer is 307. Next sum is 698 minus 689. Children, we cannot subtract 9 from 8, so we will borrow. So in tens place 9 becomes 8 and in ones place 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Now subtract tens. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now subtract 100. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So answer is 9. Next sum is 340 minus 39. Subtract ones. 9 cannot subtract from 0, so we will borrow from tens. So in tens 4 becomes 3 and in ones 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and in hundreds place single number 3 is there. So we will write 3 under hundreds. So 340 minus 39 is equal to 301. Next sum is 842 minus 24. Children, we cannot subtract 4 from 2, so we will borrow. So in tens place 4 becomes 3 and in ones 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Now in tens 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 and in hundred single number 8 is there, so we will write 8 under hundreds. So 842 minus 24 is equal to 818. Next sum is 563 minus 344. So start from ones. We cannot subtract 4 from 3, so we will borrow. Here in tens place 6 becomes 5 and in ones place 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9 and in tens 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and in hundreds 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So 563 minus 344 is equal to 219. Next example is 260 minus 201. So let's start from ones. We cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we will borrow. We will borrow from tens. So in tens, 6 becomes 5 and in ones, 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And now subtract tens. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. And now in hundreds, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 260 minus 201 is equal to 59. Now last example is 354 minus 238. So here we cannot subtract 8 from 4, so we will borrow. So in tens place 5 becomes 4 and in ones place 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Write 6 under ones and now subtract tens. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Write 1 under tens. Now subtract 100. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Write 1 under 100. So 354 minus 238 is equal to 116. Thank you.